If your quick 15-minute chat somehow turns into an hour-long consultation and you end up with $0 and a drained battery, today that ends. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn your WordPress website into a paid appointment system using FluentBooking and FluentCart, two free plugins that make booking and payments work seamlessly together. So if you're a coach, consultant, or an educator, this setup could save you a lot of time and a lot of unpaid calls. Let's dive right in. Here you can see FluentCart is already installed, powering my e-commerce store, and FluentBooking is ready to receive appointments from my clients. If I move into the calendar section, you'll notice the calendars I've created for different use cases are already set up. And remember, all of this works on the free plan. Let's open this consultation calendar. Every detail here is perfectly organized. I've set multiple meeting durations, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, so clients can pick the right slot according to their needs. I love this because it keeps every slot structured and gives the client the power to choose how much time they want with you. And best of all, you get paid exactly what your time is worth, saving you quick questions that turn into hour-long unpaid consulting sessions. Availability, limits, email notifications, everything is on point. And trust me, now comes the part that actually makes you money. Let's move on to the payment settings, and first make it a paid event. Then you have another checkbox to enable multiple payment options based on session lengths like 30, 60, or 90 minutes. Tick that box and done. Next, change the checkout method from the native option to FluentCart checkout. And voila! Instantly, the meeting duration we set at the beginning appears right there. And here's the exciting part. Connect it to a product. You can select an existing product to complete the checkout process. But if you can't find the right one, don't worry. Click New, give it a title, go ahead and set the price, and create it. FluentCart is now ready to take payments for this session. I'll just repeat the same for the other durations and then save the changes. Having that done, we're officially ready to take payments for your sessions. Now, if you're worried about sharing the calendar, don't be. FluentBooking makes it super simple, offering several ways to make your calendar available to your customers. I think we can create a whole new video on just that. Let me know in the comments if you really need a video on that. No matter which one you pick, FluentBooking will be ready to collect appointments for you just like this. So let's see what your client experiences. Whenever a client selects their preferred time, the price updates automatically based on the duration they chose. They pick their time zone, so all slots are displayed in their local time. Select their preferred slot. Enter their details. And click Schedule Meeting. And that takes them directly to FluentCart's checkout page. Customer will fill in the data. And the moment they hit Place Order, they'll be redirected to the confirmation page. A click on View Full Meeting Details, and they can see every detail they need. Switching back to FluentBooking, you'll notice everything is synced automatically. If you want to dive deep, click on View Details. Right away, you can see everything you need, like invitees information, meeting information, order summary, and even the meeting activities. Everything you need is organized and accessible. No manual tracking, no confusion, and no missed payments. There you have it. We started with a simple booking calendar, connected it to products, and now we're accepting payments automatically for every appointment. And of course, we did it completely free without SaaS tools, subscription fees, or complicated integrations. Just FluentBooking and FluentCart working together inside WordPress. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical WordPress guides. And if you'd like to see any advanced setups for your appointments or e-commerce store, drop them in the comments. See you in the next one!